EventKey, Event Rolodex with event managing capabilities. How many of you have attended events and got a bunch of business cards and couldn't find the one that you were looking for when you wanted to follow up? Business cards get lost or tossed. Attendees want to connect with people who matter most to them and easily access their contact info to follow up. Event planners want to build community, know who's in the room, and have faster check-in. No way currently exists to successfully help both attendees and event planners. EventKey addresses this problem by providing an electronic Rolodex with mobile engagement capabilities between attendees. We're also planning to add features for the event planner that will make it easier for them to capture fundamental information. This is the market size. With an estimated growth in app use of 433%, according to Inc. magazine, we can see that the market is ripe for event mobile apps. We were lucky enough to find Eventbrite's blog saying that in 2014 they processed 1.5 billion worth of online ticket sales. So this is a slide used to give you an idea of how ready the market is for a product. We have a working functional MVP on iOS and Android. We have product validation for our MVP. We have made our first sales. We have 1,400 users that are sharing EventKey with groups where they are members. And we call this evangelizing. So what happens is people are going to an event that uses EventKey, let's say the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. You use it there, you love it, and you want to take EventKey to the Tucson Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. And that is what's currently happening. Here's how we got started. It all originated in 2015, 2.5 years ago, where I was going to different events and I was trying to connect with technical people so they could help me develop another app idea that I had. And I found it incredibly frustrating to not know who else is in the room so I can make the most of my time. So then I recruited different developers. I validated the idea. We launched the MVP in 2016. We monetized it. Our first sale came in November 2016. And it was from Network in Phoenix, who paid us $298. And up to date, we've made $2,500. We're also learning that our target audience wants additional features, such as ticket selling, RSVP via the web. So we're learning and getting feedback, and we have incredible interest in our product. The list of our early adopters who have already signed up or are currently using our platform. Example of one of our users, Lauren is the event planner at the Arizona Tech Council, but Lauren is also a board member at Girls in Tech. So this is our go-to-market strategy. Inside, you'll find our target audience that has already signed up to use EventKey or using it, and outside the box is the second layer of organizations. So how this will work is we have Girls in Tech using EventKey, and one of their organizations, Women Who Startup, pretty much share the same attendees. Create a product that the organizations in this box absolutely love, and it'll expand to organizations outside the box. So that is how we're going to expand in Arizona. And every one of these arrows is based on research, and it has a direct connection with a particular individual inside each organization. Now let's talk about national expansion. Sister chapters across the United States. So what we're going to focus on is continue to develop a product that Girls in Tech or the organization absolutely loves, and then they'll refer us to their sister organizations throughout the United States. 65 global chapters. Our target audience is Hispanic professionals and women organizations because we found it that it's easier to access their decision makers for these groups, and they particularly love the aspect that EventKey brings closer to their community, and it makes it easier for the attendees to connect. Our revenue forecast is quite simple. If your event is free, then you can use EventKey for free. If your event is paid, then we charge the merchant service fee plus 66 cents that we pocket. So if we anticipate very humbly to sell 2 million tickets in the next year, if we charge 66 cents per ticket, we will be bringing home a revenue of $1.3 million. $50,000 is ultimately what we need from investors to cover the cost of development and branding. This includes the software developers and coders to develop the additional features needed to meet the requirements of our current users. And that's why I'm standing here asking for your help and additional seed money so we can develop these features. And this is our team of all-stars. Perry and I are the co-founders. We developed the idea about 1.5 years ago, and now we have 4 new team members. We use Scrum methodology.